Hello, today is we're gonna be drawing another picture. It will be of a worm, a caterpillar, sharing a snack of an apple. This is a good school coloring thing since it's back to school and a good fall thing. So let's get started. Before we start actually, we're gonna need some markers. And some crayons. So we shall get started. All right. And also, of course, have a piece of paper. Alrighty. So first we are gonna be drawing this heart shape. All right. All right, next we'll be going down, down, and then there will be that swoop, and then go up and down. All right, good. Now we're gonna do the stem. So we have that, and then this, and then this. All right, next we'll have the leaf. So we'll be doing this kind of thing, and then it will be kind of behind the apple a little bit. And also we have to draw the line. So first we do this, and then you do a V. And also we want the apple to look a little realistic, so we have to add that shine. All right, now we will be drawing the worm. You don't have to draw a worm, you could draw a caterpillar if you like. So at first, we draw this. So we draw the little swoop coming down, and then now this, and then we connect it back to the apple. Now this could be hard. I don't really know if it will be hard for you. So we add this little thing to the top to show where the worm's peeking out. It will be kind of like a little hole, but not really. So, and then we do this, and then we connect. Then we can add the little smiley face to the worm. Here, we'll make his eyes bolder to make him look cute. Now we add the lines. When you see worms on the sidewalk, they have those lines on them. Not always, but sometimes. So we kind of curl those lines a little bit. And now we will draw his friend, the caterpillar. All right, so how I did mine was a very cute fluffy caterpillar. I'm probably gonna do that again because I love cute and fluffy caterpillars. So, all right, so we just do these triangles that don't connect. We just keep doing them in different ways. And then we keep doing them until it ends. So we'll just add a couple more. And we do that to connect. And now let's add his stubby legs. So we just do boop, little bumps, and boop. Now we add, same thing with the worm, we did that little whole paper clip thing. I don't know what to call it, but so we're gonna do that and then draw him and do that triangle thing again. He'll have a fluffy, I don't know, head. And let's draw his eyes. Boop, boop, boop. Aw, he's very cute. If you want, you could add a stripe. That's what I'm gonna do. You just do that little cute stripe to make him cool. Alright, now we'll get into the coloring.